8 easy steps to cascade your Linksys router to another router. Linksys is a brand producing home and small office networking products. The company was founded in the year 1988 and later acquired by Cisco System in the year 2003. The year 2013 yet brought a change in the management and home networking division, was sold to Belkin. Now the product produced by the company is branded as Linksys by Cisco. However, still there are products under Linksys brand name, which includes broadband and wireless routers. In this article, we will talk about 8 easy steps to connect Linksys router to another router in your home or offices. It is called cascading, and cascading is carried when the user wants to enhance the performance of the older router, or you have some more wireless or wired device to be connected to the router. Other primary reasons of cascading of routers include expansion of the wireless network range. Isolate the traffic of network. In this scenario, there is a main router, which in this case is of Linksys. The second router can also be of Linksys or any other brand. It will be called secondary router. The tips is exclusively for Linksys, so get it done easily. If at Linksys router, you will have to check that the main router have an active internet connection before it is connected to the secondary router. Now if you want to connect it wireless, the process is called bridging. Bridging is supported by limited brand and on selected router models. There are mainly 2 ways to connect a Linksys router to another router. LAN to LAN. It is connecting one of the Ethernet ports of the Linksys router, main router, to one of the Ethernet ports of secondary router. This type of connection can be made successful when the routers are on same LAN IP segment. LAN to WAN, it is connecting one of the Ethernet ports to the Internet port of secondary router. This type of cascading requires the main router and the secondary router to have different IP segments. If you are carrying the connection of LAN to WAN, you have to ensure that the routers have different IP address. This is vital to avoid any kind of conflict in the network. After the basic information, let's move to the steps of cascading routers via LAN to LAN. Network 1. Note the IP address of the main router. Point 2. Connect your computer to the secondary router. It can be your desktop or laptop connected to the Ethernet ports of the secondary router. Point 3. Check the setup page of the secondary router for. Under the basic setup subtab, check for IP address or local IP address. You will find the same IP address as mentioned in the main router, just change the number present in the 4th box. For instance, 192.168.1.1 secondary router, 192.168.1.25. Set DHCP server to disabled 6. Save the setting 7. Now unplug the cable from the computer and connect it to the Ethernet ports present on the main router. Point 8. Power the secondary router, and once the power light turns red/solid, you may check internet connection. Hope this information helped you, but still if any kind of confusion is running in your mind, contact to Linksys support. The support department will be happy to help you at your first stand.